Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA with two controllers on Nintendo Switch. First, ensure both of your Nintendo Switch controllers are connected and fully charged. You will need two separate controllers, such as two Joy-Cons or two Pro controllers. Once connected, launch the FIFA game. From the main menu, navigate to and select the Kick-Off or Local Match option to begin setting up your two-player game. After selecting your game mode, the system will prompt you to configure your controllers. Each player should select their desired controller, whether it's a single Joy-Con held sideways, a pair of Joy-Cons, or a Pro controller. Assign one controller to player 1 and the second to player 2. Confirm these assignments to ensure both players are correctly recognized by the game before moving on to team selection. With controllers configured, it's time for team selection. Both player 1 and player 2 will be able to choose their favorite clubs or national teams. After team selection, you can customize match settings, including the stadium, time of day, and weather conditions. You can also adjust the difficulty level and the length of each half. Once all settings are to your liking, press the designated button to start your exciting two-player match. Playing FIFA with two controllers on your Nintendo Switch provides a fantastic local multiplayer experience. It's a wonderful way to challenge friends or family members in exciting head-to-head matches right in your living room. You can practice your skills, try out new strategies, and enjoy the competitive spirit of the game together. Gather your friends, grab your controllers, and immerse yourselves in the world of FIFA for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.